Welcome back, my friends, and today I'm going to take you through sound D. 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 Sound D comes from letter D. Yes, letter D gives us sound D. So let's look at the blends. So we have the first one is da, day, do, de, di, di, die, do, da, and do. Okay, now let's form some words using those sounds. So we have the first one is den. Den. Yes, it's a den. Then we have the next one, desk. Desk. And that gives us a desk. Then we have the next one, drum. Drum. And we get drum, a drum. Drum. Then the next one, dog. Dog. And that gives us a dog. Then the next one is going to be dress. 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 A dress. Yes, a dress. And the last one is going to be duck. Duck. And that gives us a duck. Now let's look at the sentences. This is my dog. Hey, this is my dog. Okay, and then I have red dress. I have a red dress. I have a red dress. And the last one is going to be the drum is near the desk. The drum is near the desk. And that's it for sound D. I hope to see you in our next video, and for now I'm saying bye bye.